Hello, 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 my wonderful family. What's happening? It's Sean again, and today we're going down to Halfway Tree to see what's happening in the town. We're going in the Halfway Tree town, the Halfway Tree Square, whatever you want to call it. But we got Halfway Tree right now in Kingston. In the more Halfway Tree than anywhere else. I feel like it's such a unique name. Halfway Tree. Yeah, it's such a unique name. Oh, Halfway Tree could become Halfway Tree. But we're going to Halfway Tree right now. It's a Saturday before Christmas, and it is crazy on the road already. When we talk about traffic, right now, stop behind our van. I try to reach down at Halfway Tree. I'm not sure when we're going to reach, but when I reach, we plan to show you guys what Halfway Tree look like.
Sean again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Sean again. Bring good vibes on the corner them. Sean again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.
I'm excited to see if people down there shop. I'm pretty sure it's in Jamaica, a lot of parties happen during this week of Christmas leading up to New Year's, and I'm sure all of the salon them, the hair, the nails, all the hair, the nails and everything. Hold on, wait. We have to look outside to see if Kara come. Can push up look at that, right? Yeah, so the hair, the nail salon, all of them places there, I got ram today. So if you try to get anything like that done today, you know, say you have a way to look forward to.
I'm not looking forward to the wait because I have that to get done.
See there? So, we're going to go down the Halfway Tree. I'm sure them probably already have put up pepper light on them thing. Go on.
No.
That's how we have to do it in Jamaica. You have to fan down a car and tell them wait and give a blind. Yeah, taxi man them drive. That's how you have to do it. Christmas lights and them thing they good at there in Halfway Tree there already. We're gonna show one of them there, but a daylight so probably not gonna light up. Maybe for circle back in the night, right?
Right.
And show you what Halfway Tree look like in the night. One thing I'm notice different in a Kingston is that there's a bunch of tall buildings. The buildings, they realize that they run out of land space, so they go up in the air with the building them. And I kind of like it. It look cool. Look like it's in some kind of city over there, foreign there. Now one of them foreign places. You know, Amsterdam, New York. The only thing is that they're not concentrated in one place. But everywhere, every drive you see, you'll see a one or two building up in the sky. And more I go up. So it's construction all day, every day, everywhere. Now I look for put up places. So again, please subscribe. So I can start make some money. So I can put up one of them building there too and put full name on it.
What name is?
How I gonna name it? Want a mango. Want a mango. We say I'm gonna eat a mango at the stoplight while ago. Anyway, look on the traffic out of Kingston. I'll show this Waterloo.
We're on Waterloo Road, trying to head into Halfway Tree, and there's traffic already starting to build up, and I'm not looking forward to the square at the middle of Halfway Tree. I'm not looking forward to the traffic that's going to be in the middle of Halfway Tree. But we're going and have predictable weather. It's good. I like the festivities around Christmas time too. There's a lot of events happening, a lot of parties happening, a lot of lights going up, a lot of Christmas things, you know. And we were in the countryside earlier. We're now in Kingston. We're back and forth, but Kingston just have a lot that's happening. And because I grew up in this, I'm used to the festivities. So it makes me feel it's kind of nostalgic. And it's nice, the calm and the peace and the serenity in the countryside. I feel like that happens after Christmas. Now we need to get festive first and then we'll relax. You know?
So, reaching a Halfway Tree right now. What the plaza name again? Yeah, we're reaching a Halfway Tree right now. And the plaza we're up on, you can barely find a parking. It look like that person will come out and if I lock the car, them will come to it. The white Kia, yeah. And just light up the car a while ago. But we can't find a parking. We're driving around right now in this plaza and I look for parking. But we're not seeing none right yet. We're not seeing none yet. There's people in front of me. There's a line in front of me of other people waiting for parking. And this, as you can see now, move. We're just stuck in one place. This is Christmas in Jamaica. We there saw like 2 minutes now, 3 minutes and something just a move. Right, only I move 2 feet and then it stop again. You can see that big Christmas tree there over there, so you know say Christmas really a go. I don't know if you can see the light them, beer light there, a string from the light pole them across the Plaza parking lot. So I know say in the night over here some must look bright.
Yeah, there's no parking. So I'm in the Plaza in halfway through.
Find a parking spot and now I walk. I look for somewhere to do our nails. But we're just take a walk on the mall items. So this is currently what the mall looks like during the Christmas weekend. The traffic is just insane. Like look on the long line of cars that wrap around the parking lot. Anyways, Rush found somewhere to do our nails. And I remember when I was younger, I was always on the mall with hanging out with friends or just shopping. There are some new stores, but overall the mall looks pretty much the same. So we did buy some coconut and I'm gonna get my uncle to chop them for me because we didn't travel with no machete. We bought the coconut water, so we're gonna fill a gallon bottle and keep it in the fridge. Later when it get dark, we'll go back down our tree. I wanna be going them that too, man. See man, I'm gonna chop jelly. Bad with the machete, you know. Careful. See that I check in. 2 jelly alone put the back here right so. Water. 2 jelly alone do that. I mean say bucket good and more than full. We have to drink water in the next bucket.
You know what I mean? It's not a machete, man.
Eh?
Yeah. The angle is still in about. I just do, I love it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I never have a bigger.
It's night now and we're back in tree. And as we pull up, you can hear the liveliness out here. Look at all these lights, the people, you can even hear music somewhere here on the mall. But I like how everybody just going about their business, shopping for their Christmas gifts and things. I also like how them decorate up the place. It's hard to see during the daytime, but driving into the mall, you could see all the Christmas lights that them string across the parking lot. And even some on the building them. Yeah, see place right now. You have lights all about, lights on the tree them. Lights on the building them. People out and about, everybody shopping. Yeah, see how this lady going in there, so? People out and about, man, everybody shopping. You even have live music for free. Steel band. So as you can see, half a tree is well festive right now. Well festive. Check out the band. Yeah. 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 Right? Free live music. You can't ask for nothing else. So let's make a walk through half a tree, see what I go on. Oh, this one new Amars. You remember them store, yeah? Amars and them place there. We never shopping at them place there yet. Them if we never shopping at them place there yet.
Here without introducing myself.
That's true. That's true.
Good night, everyone. I am Mika, and
I'm Peter Gay.
and tonight we're gonna be your moderators, your hosts.
Yeah. Announcers.
People will tell you welcome next.
And welcome next.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's what we are tonight. So, Peter Gay, what is going to happen tonight?
So, you know that it already starts already, you know. The niceness with the music. But now we're going to be more interactive with the people around us. And we're going to have some giveaways. We're going to have...
I wish people there around me.
Giveaway, I want.
When the people are there around here, so.
Free things?
Yeah, man, free things.
No. Free things like no strings attached.
No, it have a little string, like a little thread, like a little string. Like a little string.
Alright, tell everybody what the little string is.
So, in order for you to be eligible, you have to follow at the Village Plaza on Instagram.
So we're at the Village
So,
Plaza.
take out your
There it is, the
phone.
Village Plaza.
You can go on Instagram and it is at
We used to shop at collectibles. Tell me if anyone ever shop at collectibles. Watch it. You get your panty and your bra, seal out. See, look there. Christmas sale is now. What? Name the lock?
Yes, sir.
Oh, go on. I come here to make a look through, man.
Yes, man. Free man.
Actually, hold on, let me get to where she walk gone. Now come. I see be a police over there so while ago. I think I rob them rabbit place. What them there? The stones and the crystal them?
So I'm going to be reading Gemstone today. This is what I have left to add, I have a few more today. But crystals can actually amplify your energy, particularly from low frequency, really from certain ailments like stress, anxiety, depression,
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So how that work? Just energy?
Right, solar and lunar, because it's balanced. So we deal with moonstones, we deal with sunstones. So crystal, the colors can help you decide the energy that the stone has. You see.
Okay, I see I have an anchor so with some stones on it. What kind of stones them up on the anchor?
Well, these are, it's a chip of green aventurine. Green aventurine is really an opportunity stone. When you wear a green aventurine, you seek an opportunity for something.
Okay.
For luck, wealth, opportunity, prosperity. But green aventurine harness to
So the anchor how much for something like that?
Well, these aren't expensive, we go less than 1,000, so it's just 900.
900, so this less than 1,000 for this right here. So, and if the different stones and for different reasons. For example, the marble looking one here right here, so the green one, what's that for? What
Topaz. So when you look at green colors, you look at your heart chakra. So we look at love. We look at vibrating at the heart frequency.
Yeah.
So we deal with emotional balance, relationship, healing your heartbrokenness, healing traumas, healing certain ailments that has to deal with, love and them things there where people have relationship and then now flow through stress and worry, Greenstones provide an abundance of our energy, so we deal with joy and prosperity and optimism, isn't it?
Right. So which one of them I bring money?
Money would be the gold colors, yellow is really the bright colors for your solar plexus, it's confidence, courage, willpower,
Okay. So here the deal. What the I name?
Is Crystal Bala because we're promoting an Instagram called Crystal Rising.
Yeah.
So Crystal Bala and his team because he has a few empress and soldier that is willing to care for the frequency and vibration healing. Because sometimes we spend millions on hospital bills, medical services, but all we need is just to meditate and find ourselves, find our own frequency,
Right.
connect back with nature to get back to our own tune and pathway.
Right.
To better assist us in healing. You see me?
So what your name?
Bala, Crystal Bala.
Crystal Bala.
Right.
Okay, so what you know? If people them watch this and they want one or two of them stone necklace, them crystal necklace, how they
Right.
can reach out to you and get that?
Well, it's not just me doing it, so I wouldn't recommend you just limit yourself to finding one crystal healer
Right.
because there are thousands. However, I'm promoting healing in Jamaica from an Instagram page called Crystal Rising.
Crystal Rising.
Right, so it's crystal with a K because K is for kings and stuff. So we say Crystal Rising on Instagram, and there's no space, there's no capital, it's just Crystal Rising. You know? And that page would actually just tell you a limited or a small extent of the benefits of gemstones. We improving every day, so if you check out the page, it's a starting page, so you can follow and DM me, and I'll definitely be more than happy to actually tell you more about gemstones. If you're in tune enough, you can actually feel the difference when you wear a gemstone. The clarity that you feel, the difference in energy. But it definitely works for me and a lot of friends that I have. Yeah. So I would suggest that, people in call centers, they buy a lot of obsidian. People in, BPO areas, accounting, computer sciences, because those frequencies are actually very long time.
Gotcha.
Alright?
Okay, tell me the Instagram once more. I want to check it out because I feel like I'm going to have more questions for you and them things. So tell me the Instagram again.
For sure. The Instagram page I recently started is Crystal Rising.
Crystal Rising.
Yeah, it's Crystal, not spelled with a C but a K because, Crystal is, we're not crying, we're healing, so we're joyful and we're happy.
Right.
So you can check that out and reach out for me. I mean, eventually I'm going to change the name and I'm going to add more things. Right. But it's just a starting page for now, okay?
Alright, respect for that.
Peace, yeah?
Yes.
This is our local. It's for peace and calm. Meditation, different anxiety, different research,
Okay.
Yes.
Bless. We're up on Tropical Plaza now, and Tropical Plaza look like it carry a little vibes. I'm not sure where music come from, but you can hear some music in the background somewhere, you see me? And not too much light, but them get the trees them decorated. These buildings right along the building as you walk right here, so you can see lights. The stores are packed. People are walking in, shopping, getting last minute Christmas stuff. So who never buy nothing for them kids can go buy them last minute thing them. Yeah. Kicks. That's story name Kicks there. Village Plaza. Village Plaza right name? Or Village Mall? So far, out of all of the mall Village Mall come out with them lights them. Lights till lights can done. Look there.
You are here.
I have the live band them too, you know. You can't forget the live music, so I kind of top it off, get the extra oomph, you know.
Right, so everything is a one-stop plan. Alright, so we're gonna enjoy a little bit of music. Okay, so our best friend. My best friend's having a party and everybody's going. I know it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, by the way, it's snowing. The lights, it's snowing where the lights are. It's been a long, long time. Can't explain why you've crossed my mind. I guess it's best to say gee whiz, it's Christmas. Come sing with me. Hello there. Merry Christmas, how you been? I know it's gonna be so good again. Sing with me now, let me hear. Make some noise for Charlie. I wanna give you some love. I wanna give you some good. Oh, oh, I wanna give you some, give you some, give you. I wanna give you some love. I wanna give you some good, good love, yeah.
The mic sound good though. Alright, him sound good. So he might not have a choice.
I'm still in love with you, girl. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm still in love with you. You, yeah, yeah. You don't know how to love me. Not even how to kiss me.
So we'll leave the plaza there. We'll go over our next plaza across the road there now. I don't know what this plaza name, shops at Southdale. I don't know if a Southdale Plaza them call that one, yeah. But them full of light. You know full of light? Yeah man. Full up of light. Christmas, them really I feel the vibes or so. Cause me never see so much light yet. Now really I feel the vibes. I'm alone now I feel the vibes. Anyways, this is it for halfway through, or that's as much as I'm gonna look on for today or tonight. So you have to catch me in the next video. Hold on, this I cracked that?
Yes.
You didn't bring me some before?
I came just when I was coming.
Oh. Yeah, so this is it for tonight. This is halfway through. This is what halfway through are going with the Christmas here. And as you can see, everybody festive. Everybody festive and feeling the spirit. And me alone must not feel the spirit. You see me? But yeah, I like it for everybody. You know, this, at least it will put people in the mood. If I never did in the mood before, it will put it in the mood. Because just walking through, I say it feel like Christmas. You feel me? It feel like Christmas just walking through. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm Sean again. Subscribe. I'm gone again.